Hello friends, welcome to Java Programming Video Tutorials series. In the previous video tutorial, we understood Hello World program in Java. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss character set of Java language. We understand character set of Java language because first step in learning any language is knowing its character set. How do we have learned English language, guys? First we learned character set of English language. Character set of English language contains alphabets, digits, special characters. First we learned alphabets, uppercase A to Z and lowercase a to Z. Then we understood how to combine these alphabets to create words. Then we understood how to combine set of words to create meaningful sentences. Then we understood how to combine set of sentences to create meaningful paragraphs, etc. etc. guys. Then we learned digits 0 to 9. We understood how to combine these digits to create numbers. Then we understood special characters, when to use comma, when to use full stop, when to use semicolon, when to use exclamation mark, etc. 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 What is character set? Set of characters used in the language for forming words, sentences, paragraphs, etc. Set of characters used in the language for creating words, sentences, paragraphs, etc. is called character set, guys. As Java is also language, as Java is also programming language, it also has set of characters used in forming tokens, instructions, programs, etc. guys. Tokens in Java programming language are equivalent to words in English language. Instructions in Java programming language are equivalent to sentences in English language. Programs in Java programming language are equivalent to paragraphs in English language, guys. First we learn character set of Java language. Character set of Java language contains alphabets, digits, special characters and escape sequence characters. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss escape sequence characters, guys. Character set of Java language contains alphabets, digits, special characters and escape sequence characters. So these set of characters are used in forming tokens, instructions, programs in Java programming language, guys. Note, all Java programming language characters are defined using Unicode character set. Unicode character set is a 16-bit character encoding system which allows us to represent almost all characters from almost all languages present in the world. Yes, we can represent almost all characters from almost all languages present in the world using Java programming language, guys. We can represent characters from Arabic language. We can represent characters from English language. We can represent characters from Hindi language. We can represent characters from Japanese language. We can represent characters from Chinese language, etc. 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 guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood character set of Java programming language. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to understand tokens available in the Java programming language. Then we understand how to combine tokens to create meaningful instructions. Then we understand how to combine set of instructions to create meaningful programs, guys. That is the flow of learning any programming language. That's it, guys, for this video tutorial. I hope you guys have clearly understood character set of Java language. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.